everyone, Jennifer here. Today I received a surprise package from LondonTown with their fall shades for 2018. You know how much I love LondonTown. They have 9 free nail polish that is so beautiful and lasts so long. It's just amazing. So I'm so excited to check out their collection. So I'm just going to open the box with you for the first time in this video, and I'll do the swatches for you. So this is what I received in the mail. A little note that says, "Hi Jennifer, we're back with a vengeance. Our new fall 2018 colors are all infused with hydrating ingredients to nourish and color. As an added bonus, our new colors feature our brand new brush that allows for easier application and minimizes streaking. Dare to try a 10-day chip-free lacquer? Love LondonTown." Ooh, I'm excited. So this is their theme for fall winter 2018-2019, back with a vengeance. It says botanical packed formula, intensely vibrant color, gel-like staying power, 9 free and vegan nail polish. I mean, these really are, ooh, my favorite nail polishes. So here are the shades that I'm assuming are in the box. Iconic, Jane Austen, Kissed by Rose Gold, and Vendetta. Look at that rose gold one, I'm excited. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box. This is what they sent me in the mail. Yep. Okay, so inside the box is this little collection of their fall winter shades. And I love the look of these. They're so pretty. There's a bright electric blue one. So I'm going to look at the chart here, and the blue one is called Iconic. Jane Austen, and that's a really pretty neutral. This metallic one is Kissed by Rose Gold. And right here we have Vendetta, and that's a beautiful red. So let's go ahead and sample the colors on my hands. We have, of course, the base coat and the gel top coat because I have a lot of their stuff, and I love their stuff. And I also have their lacquer remover. So these I had previously. So I'm just going to put the nail hardener and base coat on. Okay, so let's start off with this one, which is called Iconic. Do you know me, blue is a bit out of my comfort zone, but sometimes I do feel like using it. So I will do it on the pinky here. Ooh, the brush really is different. It's wider. I like that a lot. That is a really nice brush. Kind of reminds me of the one on the Dior bottles. There we go. It's a very pretty blue, actually. I like it. It's like a nice dark electric blue. Next, let's try Jane Austen, and this looks like a really nice neutral color. I'm gonna zoom it in here so you can see a bit better. So we're gonna try Jane Austen. Oh, I love this. It's a very milky, neutral, a milky white almost. So pretty. Really excited to try the metallic rose gold. So let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, it's very glimmery, sparkly. Pretty. That's so pretty. That would be really nice during the holiday season. Perfect for Christmas and New Year's. And look at this gorgeous red, Vendetta. Okay, let's try Vendetta. Oh, that's beautiful. That is a beautiful red. I love it. Okay, so let me zoom in on these 4 colors here. Which one is your favorite? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take the swatches off and try them as a whole hand just to show you what they look like. I'm using the LondonTown lacquer remover here. So I'm going to go ahead and reapply the base coat to this hand. Now I'm going to do the Gel Genius top coat on this hand. Okay, on this hand I'm going to do all of Jane Austen. Okay, I actually don't want to take either of these off. They're so pretty. Okay, but I'm going to. So I could do the other two for you. Okay, on this hand, I'm going to try Iconic, the blue color. Okay, and lastly, we are trying Vendetta. So I'm gonna put Vendetta on this hand. Thank you so much to LondonTown for sending me your gorgeous 9 free vegan nail polishes. This could be my favorite collection of theirs yet. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what your favorite shade is out of this collection. I will link all of these shades below. LondonTown is being so generous. They are offering 25% off to my viewers if you use my links below and the code JenniferS. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!